everybody, Peg here, and today I am doing something that my Muse has told me I need to do. This is for Art Joy of Sharing, and each month we share some of the things that we do based on what our Muse tells us. And my Muse today is telling me I need to recycle this tin. This is an Inktense pencil tin, and I took the pencils out because I wasn't using them because they were in the tin. For some reason I didn't like using the pencils out of the tin, so I got a holder for them. And now I think, well, this is a nice tin. I need to use it for something. So I'm just going to sand it down, wipe the stuff off, and then put my own decoration on it because it's no longer an Inktense tin. So I decided I'd use some gold gesso because you guys know I love this gold iridescent gesso. And it takes several coats. You know, don't worry about the fact that, you know, it's not going to cover in one coat. But I'm going to put several coats down because I want a nice gold surface to work on. So I'm going to stencil it. I'm going to add a few other things, and then I'll show you what I end up with for storage, because this is now going to become a tin that holds some of my gel press plates. So yeah, we'll just kind of speed through this stuff and get to the end. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you being here with me each month, and be sure and check out my creative year. There are all kinds of videos and prompts from the instructors over there on that Facebook group, and daily prompts for sketches and things. So, you know, come join us. Come join the fun. It's a good community, and I think you'll like it. Bye for now.